Syllabus of test. Syllabus of all NET subject can be downloaded from UGC website www.ugc.ac.in or www.ugcnetonline.in. Important. The national level test for determining the eligibility of candidate for the award of Junior Research Fellowship Assistant Professor in all science subject falling under the facilities of science, physical biology and applied is being conducted jointly with the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR, New Delhi. The candidates described of availing UGC GRF or obtaining eligibility of assistant professor in the science subjects are advised to appear at the UGC CSR national level test announced by the CSIR. The UGC test for GRF eligibility of assistant professor will be held at the University Test Center specified below. The candidate may register for the test at the nearest center. Please note that change of center will not be allotted under by circumstances. NET subject with codes: Economics 01, Political Science 02, Philosophy 03, Psychology 04, Sociology 05, History 06, Astrology 07, Commerce 08, Education 09, Social Work 10, Defense and Strategic Studies 11, Home Science 12, Public Administration 14, Population Studies 15, Hindustani Music Vocal Instrument 16, Management 17, Maithili 18, Bengali 19, Hindi 20, Kannada 21, Malayalam 22, Oriya 23, Punjabi 24, Sanskrit 25, Tamil 26, Telugu 27, Urdu 28, Arabic 29, English 30, Language 31, Chinese 32, Dogri 33, Nepali 34, Manipuri 35, Assamese 36, Gujarati 37, Marathi 38, French 39, Spanish 40, Russian 41, Persian 42, Rajasthani 43, German 44, Japanese 45, Adult Education Counseling Education and Ruby Non-Formal Education 46, Physical Education 47, Arab Culture and Islamic Studies 49, Indian Culture 50, Labor Welfare, Personal Management, Industrial Relationship, Labor and Social Welfare, Human Resource Management 55, Law 58, Library and Information Science 59, Buddhi, Jain, Gandhian and Peace Studies 60, Comparative Studies of Religious 62, Mass Communication and Journalism 63, Dance 65, Musicology and Conversation 66, Astrology 67, Criminology 68, Tribal and Musical Language Lecture 70, Folk Lecture 71, Comparative Lecture 72, Sanskrit Tradition Subject including Jyotisha, Siddhanta, Jyotika, Navya, Karvana, Kavyakarna, Nimikarna, Navya, Naya, Sakya, Yoga, Tulkma, Darsha, Shukla, Yajurveda, Madhva, Tadva, Dharma, Shastra, Satya, Purna, Sta, Rama, Advita, Vidita 73, Women Studies 74, Visual Art including drawing and painting, sculpture, graphic, applied art, history of art 79, Geography 80, Social Medicine and Community Health 81, Forensic Science 82, Pali 83, Kashmiri 84, Konkani 85, Computer Science and Application 87, Electronic Science 88, Environmental Science 89, International and Area Studies 19, Pragmatic 91, Human Rights and Duties 92, Tourism Administration Management 93, Bodo 94, Santali 95, Carnatic Music Vocal Instrument Precision 896, Ravindra Sangeeta 67, Percussion Instrument 68, Drama Theatre 99, Yoga 100, Srinidhi 101, NET subject with codes.